Ever found yourself wondering where exactly your hard-earned money goes each month? Especially when that little notification pops up saying your M1 bill is ready? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced digital world, keeping track of our finances can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. And understanding your mobile bill is a crucial piece of that puzzle. Think about it for a second. Your phone is more than just a device, it's your connection to the world. It powers your communication, your entertainment, your work, and so much more. And just like any essential service, it comes with a monthly cost. But have you ever truly understood what you're paying for? Beyond the headline figure, there's a breakdown of data usage, talk time, SMS, and potentially other services you might have signed up for. Knowing how to access and interpret your M1 bill isn't just about paying on time, it's about gaining control over your spending and ensuring you're getting the most value from your mobile plan. Maybe you've noticed a sudden spike in your bill and you're scratching your head trying to figure out why. Perhaps you're considering upgrading your plan and want to compare your current usage to different options. Or maybe you're just a meticulous individual who likes to stay on top of all your expenses. Whatever your reason, knowing how to effectively check your M1 bill is a fundamental skill in today's digital age. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information we encounter daily. Bills can seem complex, filled with jargon and numbers that don't always make immediate sense. But fear not. Checking your M1 bill is actually a straightforward process, and once you know the steps, you'll be able to do it with ease. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can access and understand your M1 bill. We'll explore the different methods available, from the convenience of the M1 app to the traditional website portal. We'll also touch upon what information you can typically find on your bill, helping you decipher those charges and stay informed. So, if you've ever felt a twinge of uncertainty when that M1 bill notification arrives, or if you simply want to become more financially savvy when it comes to your mobile expenses, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to understanding your M1 bill. Alright, let's get practical. The most convenient way to check your M1 bill is undoubtedly through the My M1 app. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to your device's App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android users and the App Store for iOS users, and search for My M1. Look for the official M1 logo and download the app. Once you have the app installed, you'll need to either log in with your existing M1 account credentials or create a new account if this is your first time using the app. The registration process is usually quite simple, requiring your M1 phone number and perhaps some personal details for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to set up your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll typically land on a dashboard or home screen. This is your central hub for managing your M1 services. Look for a section related to billing, account, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it's usually prominently displayed. Tap on the billing or account section. Here, you should find an overview of your recent bills. You'll likely see the latest bill amount, the due date, and potentially a summary of your recent usage. To view the detailed breakdown of your bill, look for an option like View Bill, Bill Details, or a similar phrase. Tapping on this will usually open a PDF version of your bill or display the information directly within the app. Once you've opened the detailed bill, take some time to navigate through the different sections. You'll typically find information such as account information. This will include your name, account number, and billing address. Double-check this information to ensure it's correct. Bill summary. This section provides a quick overview of the total charges for the billing period, including any previous balance, payments made, and the new amount due. Monthly charges. This is where you'll find the breakdown of your base plan charges, including your talk time, SMS, and data allowance. Pay close attention to whether you've exceeded your allocated limits, as this can result in excess charges. Usage details. This section provides a more granular view of your usage. You can often see how much data you've used, the number of calls you've made and their duration, and the number of SMS messages sent. This is invaluable for understanding your consumption patterns. Value-added services. If you've subscribed to any additional services, such as caller ID, international roaming packages, or entertainment bundles, these will be listed here with their respective charges. Taxes and other charges. This section will include any applicable taxes and other regulatory charges. Payment information. This section usually shows your payment history and the status of your latest payment. Familiarizing yourself with these different sections will empower you to understand exactly what you're being charged for each month. Pay particular attention to the usage details to see if your current plan aligns with your actual consumption. If you consistently find yourself exceeding your data allowance or making a lot of out-of-bundle calls, it might be worth considering a different plan that better suits your needs. The My M1 app often provides additional features related to your bill, such as the ability to download past bills, set up recurring payments, and even contact customer support directly if you have any questions or concerns. Explore the app to discover all the functionalities it offers. Now, what if you prefer not to use the mobile app or don't have access to it at a particular moment? Don't worry, M1 also provides a convenient way to check your bill through their website. To access your M1 bill online, open your web browser and navigate to the official M1 website. The website address is usually something like m1.com.sg, but it's always best to do a quick search for M1 Singapore to ensure you're on the correct site. Once you're on the website, look for a login or My M1 section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this link. You'll be redirected to a login page where you can enter your M1 account details, usually your mobile number or email address associated with your account and your password. If you haven't registered for online access before, you might need to go through a similar registration process as with the mobile app. Look for a sign up or register option and follow the instructions. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your online account dashboard. Similar to the app, look for a section related to billing, account, or My Bills. Click on this section. Here, you should see a summary of your recent bills, including the latest bill amount and due date. To view the detailed bill, look for an option like View Bill, Download Bill, or similar. Clicking on this will usually allow you to view your bill as a PDF document. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.